For over 60 years, L&H has been transforming the biggest machines on Earth. With over 500,000 square feet of world-class facilities, we house state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and a team that's ready to stand side by side with you as we work together to solve your toughest challenges. Our headquarters in Gillette, Wyoming is where our reputation began. At L&H, we don't flinch at big. Here, we're ready to tackle massive fabrication, precision machining, and quality testing and analysis for the largest and most complex parts imaginable. Our double-column machining center allows us to perform precision manufacturing on equipment that's often too large or heavy for most machining centers. With a 95,000-pound table load and an advanced speed operating spindle, we're built to handle oversized parts quickly while keeping tolerances tight and quality uncompromised. With minimal setup required and efficient machining processes, our 5-axis machining center provides pinpoint precision in complex geometries. The world's biggest machines require the biggest parts. Gillette's CNC horizontal lathe does milling, drilling, and tapping in a single setup. Handling up to 65 tons, we're able to turn, cut, and finish some of the longest and heaviest parts in the world. In our welding shop, high-speed manufacturing, material versatility, and reduced waste are all achieved with our CNC pattern torch table. From straightforward cuts to intricate profiles, we deliver repeatable precision again and again. Our robotic welder is able to perform strong and repeatable welds to improve productivity, consistency, and above all else, safety in high volume and repetitive production environments. Its option for dual-head wire feeds allows for stronger welds at a faster rate. Our commitment to quality and safety runs deep. We use the latest in technology scanning, laser tracking, and our vibration test bench simulates real-world environmental conditions your parts go through. Because for L&H, good enough isn't good enough. We're here to redefine industry standards so you can leave downtime in the dust. Gillette is only one shop in our global network of premier design and engineering, world-class manufacturing and repair, the latest in monitoring and controls, and around-the-clock field services that truly make L&H your one-stop shop. It's our goal to bring you honestly better solutions that deliver honestly better results. So let's get to it.